Hello friends, in this session I'm going to take some problems based on time and work. The problems are sent by the students, so I thought let me collect the problems and just share the solutions with all of you. The problems are really easy. You don't even need paper and pen to solve these sort of problems. Okay, but preliminary condition is that you need to be conceptually clear, right? So let's take the problems one by one. Now this first problem, A can do a work in 20 days, A and B can do the work in 15 days. In how many days can B do the work all alone, right? Now listen to me carefully. There are various methods. Maybe you can calculate 1 day work, you can calculate or you can make equations as well, right? Now listen to me carefully. A can do a work in 20 days and A and B can do the work in 15 days. Right? That means, see, when A is working for 15 days, he will be doing 3/4 of the work because he can do the entire work in 20 days. Now when A and B, both of them are working, they are able to complete the work in 15 days. That means if A is working for 15 days, he will be able to complete 15 by 20, that is 3/4 of the work. Am I right? Right? So while they are completing the work in 15 days, 75% of the work is done by A all alone. That means 25% of the work is being done by B, right? Now B is doing 25% of the work in 15 days. That means the entire work, how many days he will take? 4 times, right? So that's 60 days. So there is no need to go for any sort of paperwork, no need to make any equations. Okay. It's a 20-second problem. Okay. I take the another one. Now A can do a work in 24 days and B can do the same work in 40 days. A started the work, but after 12 days he left the work and B started the work. In how many days from now the 75% of the work will be completed? Now once again, that's pretty simple. See, A has started the work and he is leaving the work after 12 days. His capacity to finish up the work in 24 days. That means in 12 days he might have finished 50% of the work. Now we wish to complete 75% of the work, right? That means now the 25% of the work has to be done by B, right? Now B can do the entire work in 40 days. That means in 10 days he will be doing 25% of the work. So after 12 days from now, 10 more days are required to finish up the work, that is to finish up 75% of the work. So there is no need to go for any sort of paperwork, any sort of deep equations and calculations. Okay, pretty simple.